Welcome to our review of the Zojirushi EC-KT50-GD coffee maker in dark green. Zojirushi is known for its quality appliances, and this coffee maker is no exception. With its sleek design and reliable performance, it's sure to become a staple in your kitchen. Let's talk about capacity first. This coffee maker can brew up to 5 cups of coffee at a time, making it perfect for households of all sizes. Whether you're brewing for yourself or for a group, you'll have plenty of coffee to go around. One standout feature of this coffee maker is its reusable filter. Not only is this environmentally friendly, but it also saves you money on disposable filters in the long run. Plus, it's easy to clean, so you can enjoy fresh-tasting coffee every time without any hassle. Operating the EC-KT50-GD is a breeze thanks to its fully automatic mode. With just the touch of a button, you can start brewing your favorite blend of coffee. And with a wattage of 600 watts and voltage of 110 volts, you can trust that this coffee maker delivers consistent, delicious results every time. One thing to note is that while the coffee maker itself is relatively lightweight at 2,610 grams, it's sturdy enough to withstand daily use. Whether you're placing it on your countertop or taking it on the go, you can rely on its durability. Overall, the Zojirushi EC-KT50-GD coffee maker is a fantastic choice for anyone looking for a reliable, easy-to-use coffee maker. Its combination of quality construction, convenient features, and delicious results make it a standout option in the market. So why not elevate your morning routine with the perfect cup of coffee from Zojirushi? Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.